How to add new role at same company on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn and log into your account. Then, click on Me at the top right. Then click on View Profile. After your profile opens up, scroll down and you'll find Experience. Below Experience, click on the plus sign. After you click on the plus sign in Experience, click on Add Position. Then select the title of your new role. After you've selected the title, add employment type, company's name. Then if this is your new role, make sure it's I am currently working on this role and make sure there's tick mark. Then add start date. You can add other informations at the bottom as well. After that, press on save. After you press on save, your new role at the same company in the LinkedIn will be on. As you can see, I have same other role in the same company. And this is how to add new role at same company on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.